Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your daily calorie goal on the JustFit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the activities button down below, which is the third option. And then go to the top of this section and tap on the calorie button in the middle of the circle. And here you can see your daily calorie goal that you can either increase or decrease by tapping on the minus or the plus icon. And when you are done, you should tap on the done button at the bottom, and then it will be updated, as you can see, so feel free to change it anytime. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.